Hey guys, welcome back to TankGarage. My name is Frank, and Mek is the man behind the camera. The biggest comeback. It's been what, like 5 years at this point that you guys haven't seen Mek behind the camera. I'm super hyped, guys, because we are going to be collaborating with a company called MAF Industries to bring Volvo back on the map. I am super glad to announce my official partnership with MAF Industries. They've chosen me and Mecha Motorsport to be their team behind most of their product development, and I'm going to be the face of the company with the social media. Mek is going to be the brain behind every engineering side and everything. We are going to be able to bring to you guys some high quality, affordable Volvo parts. Today, we're going to be working on one of my biggest pet peeve of the 3-liter T6 engine, the intake system. This right here is an aftermarket intake system, if you guys remember, that we did last year. I wasn't a big fan. It doesn't fit the best. It is quite a tight in the back. And also the fact that there's no engine cover kind of makes my engine bay pretty ugly, if you ask me. So what we're going to be showing you guys today is part 2. Pretty much you guys haven't seen part 1 since we filmed most of the stuff for the social medias, the Instagram, the TikTok. But they guys saw the 3D scanning and all of the designing part. Today we're going to be test fitting the very first prototype, which is made of PLA, you know, ABS like PLA. It's a 3D printing material that's very cheap, but just to make it, you know, so we can test fit it and make sure that everything works well and it doesn't rub anywhere. So let's get into tearing up the engine bay, and I'll get to showing you guys what it looks like with everything on there. So this is version 1 of our prototype. This will replace the factory intake system. Like you guys can see, the biggest downside of the factory system was this piece right here, which we would call the J-pipe. The J-pipe was resonated and had a really bad 180-degree angle. I'll try to find some old clips when we removed it initially to show you guys how horribly designed that was. As far as performance, as far as sound, is really not optimal. So what Mecha ended up doing is redesigning the entire intake system to be 2.75 inch from the inlet to the outlet to the turbo. So the entire system is now consistent, doesn't have any 180-degree bends, doesn't have any big resonators killing sound and power gains, and also is going to look so much cleaner in the engine bay than the aftermarket options that are available out there. Like you guys know, most of the options made by the competitors have a routing that goes over the intake manifold and kind of looks ugly because you have to purchase the cheap plastic intake or engine covers that they sell, most of them, and they're like $200-300 and they're not very nice and it doesn't look pretty cool in the engine bay. The stock one is plenty nice enough, so we decided to go ahead and to create a part that fits the OEM way while giving you all of the advantages of the high performance ones.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. Fuck the comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chillin' in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. From the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. From the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella.
We've got great news. Mek is an absolute madman and a legend. Everything works. First try. First prototype, everything works perfectly. Now I want to reiterate, this is not going to be the final product. It will not be made of PLA. It will not be orange. There will not be tape everywhere, guys. Come on, like, let's use our logic here. This is just a prototype. The final product is going to be black. It's going to be high quality material. It's also going to be way better heat resistant than PLA, and it's going to look more rugged. It's going to look like very similar, should be very similar to the OEM plastics that actually, you know, resonate heat very, very well and don't capture them like the pretty much heat soaking machine that I have right there. So that is not aluminum, that is stainless steel. So like you guys can see, everything fits wonderfully onto the engine box, the intake box, all the way down behind the firewall. This clears the firewall perfectly. It goes all the way down to the turbo also. And the most important part, the part that you've probably been waiting for. Yes, the stock engine cover fits perfectly. There is no rubbing anywhere. There is no contact. Everything fits like it should. And the nicest part is this looks OEM. You're gonna get better performance out of this because we removed all of the restrictions, and you're also gonna get a better look than the traditional pipe that people have been doing that goes over here and then you lose the intake cover and it just looks bad because it's all plastic and cheap, and they're like $300-400 for a cheap plastic cover when you have the nice Volvo one. I don't know about you, but I would stick to that. Follow along, guys. There is going to be tons of other upgrades and updates to this. We're going to do tons of other parts also with MAF Industries and especially Mecha Motorsport. It's going to be a cool partnership, guys. It's going to be a very, very cool partnership, and I hope you guys take the time to go down in the comments below and let us know what you think of the final product. I'm pretty proud to say that I think we did it first try. Second video is going to be doing the actual printing, the actual product, and having a final look of what it's going to look like with the couplers, with the hoses, with everything installed, because you guys can see there's no TCV hose in there. There's still some work to do. We're not done. But we're going to move on to other things very, very soon once we're done with that, and I hope you guys are hyped. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you thought of the video. Share it to your friends. If you want an intake, make sure to go follow all 3 pages. MAF Industries especially are going to be the ones that are going to be selling the kit very, very soon, hopefully. And it's going to be very high quality and very affordable. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.